Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a viral ASMR video on labs.envato.com. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but just go on this website. You'll get 5 free video generations. So here, go to video gen, and then I'm just going to paste this prompt. If you want it, I'll put it in the description box down below. But I will put generate here, and the video should be ready in about 1 minute. It's the glass fruit slicing videos. I've seen them so many times around my For You page on Twitter. So I'm gonna just wait a minute and it should be done soon. As you can see, it's already on at 50%. What am I saying? So I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to pause the recording, just so you know how quick it is to generate videos. Okay, we're at 90% now, so it should be done in a few minutes. Oh, okay, it's stuck at 98%. Okay, there you go. This is what it should look like at the end. Is there even a sound to this? No, but okay. I guess to may have the sound you probably need it to be pro. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!